What are you doing? What are you doing?
You want to do the whole square.
You just ruined your keyboard. You know that, right?
In between every crevice?
Why? This keyboard's done for now. I hope this is like a piece of art, not like actually for like use. It's done.
Try to keep your lines. Everyone should learn how to do this, and it is the best kept secret.
Best kept secret for what? You're putting glitter on your keyboard.
Shake it. Shake it.
Are you trying to make like an RGB keyboard?
Colored.
You could have just bought one. And it'd be like legit, you know?
Yellow. To make sure.
Sis, what? What?
Tap.
I don't understand. What did this do?
Okay, walk it this way.
Okay.
Walk it this way.
Why are you about to put it in your sink? If you put water on that...
Your sink on?
No way, right? Okay, well, I definitely won't be doing this to my keyboard.
The glue will protect it, I think.
The glue's gonna protect it? Sis, the glue ruined it.
Okay.
It's done. It's over.